Ingredients to make Korean fried chicken: 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons red chili sauce. Mix it well. A half cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoons mustard paste, a half teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Cook for 2 minutes. Now take ready-made tender pops and deep fry it. Now mix the sauce on fried tender pops. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and garnish with some spring onions. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and do like, comment, and share my video with your loved ones.